This is Judah. I just got the Polestar 2, so I'm going to show you guys how it works. Come check it out. So I got one fancy key right here. This is also a key. There's no on or off button with the car, so as soon as you get in, the car is on. Got the logo right here. Looks pretty dope. Over here you see the range. I'll show you the battery level. The actual gear shifter right here. Cool little Polestar logo. Park is right here. We engage it. We're already in park. And then you push this forward and you're in reverse. Super clear. It has warning signals and everything. So when we back up, you'll see how close you are. Over here, this is going to be your charging panel, which is on the driver's side rear. So here we click this in. Pops right open. Boom. So this is standard. You could charge this at Charge Point, Blink charging. Now if you go to an EV Go charging station, you just pull this cap here, and then you have your 3-prong right here, which is actually your fast DC charging. To unplug it, click that, and you just pull the cable out. All right, let's go charge this thing up. I'll show you guys how to charge it. What I really like about this is it's hooked up with Google. It's with your voice and everything, so you can give it voice command. Hey Google, can you show me the EV charging stations in my area?
There are many electric vehicle charging stations in the area, and you can tell me the number of the one you want anytime.
So here's a charge point station, which is one of my favorites actually. Now, it takes a while to charge, but it is so cheap and so inexpensive. So I got a charge point right here, and we're gonna put it up to the station. Just like that, it authorizes. So you set up a credit card or something on file. Now I'm ready to plug in, so you just pull this out. Now see, there's a little bit of distance, so the cool thing with these charging stations is actually you can pull on it and give yourself some more space. All you gotta do is click this in. There we go. So now you got green popping up, it's flashing, that means it's charging. You got the green ring, that shows it's charging. You know, if you're like coming back from the groceries or something, you got a bunch of bags, or you live on the 3rd floor or whatever the case may be, you're coming down with a bunch of bags. So the cool thing is, you swipe your foot under, it opens. Buttons here, you can close it, but you can do the same thing. Boom, closes on its own. Another cool feature is the front trunk, which, like in Teslas, are called the frunk. So let me pop that open for you. It's just like in a regular car where the handle is going to be on the inside. So that right there is going to open the front trunk. Unlike the Model 3 or the Mustang, there's actually like a little lever here. However, you got a little bit of space in here. You know, you can put something in here. This is going to be for your jack for the car if you need it. And then if you pull this up, you have some other features as well. So you got your air pump, and this is all standard when it comes with the Polestar 2. And then when you go to close it, click it down just like a regular car. Make sure it's all clicked in. Over here, you pull this down. You got more extra space, but it also comes with its own charger. And then you have many adapters, so this could go into a regular 110, 220, and a bunch of other 30 amp, 40 amp, 50 amp. So you could charge it from home as well. A cigarette outlet back here, if you want to charge anything. Bunch of hooks for ratchets, if you need to strap anything down. Now these seats come down, this is also really cool. Here, if you have like skis or plywood or something you want to push through, boom, just push it right through the center. It's going to be your clothes, and you can actually lock the car with one click. So this will close the trunk and lock the vehicle. So once it closes, the doors are locked.